Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be building my first ever PC. And for the motherboard, we have an Asus ROG Strix B550F. And for our CPU, we have an AMD Ryzen 7 5700X. It's actually pretty good, so I'm really happy with that. And for our RAM, 32 gigabytes of 3600 megahertz of the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. And for storage, we have 1 terabyte and 500 gigabytes of SSD. I think this is like a drive kind of, but it should be more than enough. For our power supply, we have 850 watts Corsair RMX series. This is really good, more than enough again. A couple extra fans for the case, just in case. No pun intended. They're both LEDs, so that's really nice. And for the cooler, Kraken Z7 III. This is a lot, overkill. And then for the start of the show, 3-fan RTX 3060 from MSI. This is insane. I think I spent a bit too much on this though. And for a case, which I really hope fits the cooler, the 87 Flow. Looks like a really clean case, so I'm really excited about this. But yeah, let's start building. So we have all the RGB, the wires connected now. So I'm gonna stick the hub onto the case now.
It's magnetic.
Of course it is. So the fans are done, and we just got our hard drive in. So now we're moving on to the power supply. So let's open it. You can start opening it.
It's been sitting here for what, 6 months?
Yep, I got this during around summer, so almost half a year. Or I think, I'm not sure. It's been here a while. We got the Kraken's D73. Now we're gonna put it in the air. So we gotta flip it all over again. But finally we're done with the power supply. That was really annoying. We want to go on the top. Now we can finally just start unboxing this. So let's get into it. Here you go. So excited finally all the work is paid off.
Imagine it doesn't fit.
I know, right? It's because it's such a huge machine.
Or there's no port for it.
I know, that would suck.
I'll just put it in cement.
What? No. Alright, guys. I'm not sure. What? This is so heavy.
Careful though, static.
Oh. So I can't touch it.
Look up. Wow.
12 gigabytes of GDDR4 6 memory in this one card. I want to drop this. Look at that heatsink. Look at that. Look at that thing. I'm just... Alright, so we're taking out the PCIs, like, thingies.
It's called PCI slot.
PCI slot, yeah.
Blanks.
Oh, yeah. We're taking out two because this thing is humongous. What? I'm so happy right now. It's dark out now, by the way. The time is, I think, 6 something or 7 something. We've been working since 11:30. This took definitely way more longer than I expected. Honestly, can you just put the graphics card down? I'm kind of scared.
You want to put it?
I'm okay.
Well,
I'm scared. No, I'm too scared. Put it in. Yeah.